Hello everyone and welcome back to the GCSE Maths series. Today we're going to be looking at expanding quadratics. So let's get straight into it. So to expand our double brackets, we have to use the FOIL method. I've mentioned this in a previous video, but I feel like we needed to do more focus on it. So to look at our example, we have our x plus 3 and our x plus 5. And using our FOIL method, as you can see, we first multiply our first terms, which means we multiply our first term in the first bracket by the first term in our second bracket. X times by x from our laws of indices we know is x squared, so we write that as our first term. Then we look at our outside terms. We have our x and our 5 gives us 5x. Then we look at our inside terms, which is 3 here times by our x here gives us plus 3x. Then we look at our last term. So the last term in the first bracket is 3 times by our last term in our second bracket is 5. So we do plus 15. Then we collect like terms. The two x's in the middle can be simplified down to x squared plus 8x plus 15. Okay, now looking at this example, I want you guys to have a go at the next few questions and pause the video. And once you've completed them, play the video to see the correct answers. Okay, now looking at question 1 of the practice series, practice questions, it is x plus 4 times by x plus 2. Okay, so to expand something like this, we again use our FOIL method. So we do our x times by our x as the first terms, x squared. Then we look at our outside terms, so x times by 2, so plus 2x. Then our inside terms, so 4 times by x gives us plus 4x. Then the last terms is 4 times by 2, which is plus 8. So x squared plus 6x plus 8 is our expanded brackets. So looking at question 2, we have x minus 3 times by x plus 6. We first look at our first terms and get x squared. Then we look at our outside terms, which is x times by 6 plus 6x. Then we look at our inside terms. Minus 3 times by x gives us minus 3x. Then our last terms is minus 3 times by 6, which is minus 18. Simplify and by collecting like terms and get x squared plus 3x minus 18. Moving on to question number 3. We have 2x plus 1 times by x minus 5. Now, looking at our first terms, we have our 2x times by our x, which is 2x squared. Then, looking at our outside terms, we have 2x times by minus 5 gives us minus 10x. Inside terms give us plus x, and our last terms give us minus 5. Collecting like terms, we get 2x squared minus 9x minus 5. And that is the final expanded brackets using our FOIL method in this slide. Moving on, we're now looking at expanding and simplifying with negative terms. So this expansion is going to be more focused on dealing with double negatives, etc., just to make sure we don't make common mistakes. So once again, looking at our example, we have x minus 2 times by x minus 5. So we have x times by x as our first terms. We're still using the FOIL method here, guys. So x squared. Then looking at our outside terms, we have x times by minus 5. So we have to put minus 5x here. Then looking at our inside terms, we have minus 2 times by x, which is minus 2x. Then we have, looking at our last terms in each bracket, we have minus 2 times by minus 5, which gives us a positive 10. Because two minuses cancel out. So this gives us x squared minus 7x plus 10. Okay, now looking at our example, have a go at the next 3 questions and play on when you're ready to see the correct answers. Okay, hopefully you've answered those questions now, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, and hopefully you got them right. So x minus 6 times by x plus 3. Looking at our first terms, we have x times by x, which is our x squared. Then outside terms, we have plus 3x inside terms minus 6x. Last terms gives us minus 18, so x squared minus 3x minus 18 is our answer. Moving on to question number 2. We have x minus 4 and x minus 1. Once again, using our FOIL method, we get x squared. Outside terms now is going to be minus x. Inside terms gives us minus 4x. And then last terms gives us positive 4. Simplifying this, you get x squared minus 5x at 4. Moving on to question number 3. We have 3x minus 2 times by x minus 5. We get first terms is 3x squared. Outside terms gives us minus 15x. Inside terms gives us minus 2x. And last terms give us positive 10. So we have 3x squared minus 17x plus 10. And that is our final expansion using double brackets and the FOIL method. So that's going to conclude today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys learned how to deal with this and feel much more confident on this topic. As always, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Please like, comment, and subscribe.